Hi there, welcome to Insight Consulting. I'm Chris Nanhurdle, and I have with me today another one of my fantastic clients, success clients, Jason Belle. Welcome, Jason.
Hey Chris, how you doing?
I'm very, very well. It's good to have you with me on our broadcast today.
It is unbelievable that I'm here today.
Jason is one of the top performing sales execs at Starcom.
Yes, Stockholm Network. Yeah.
And he has seen a phenomenal improvement, not only in his performance with Starcom, in his professional life, but he's also seen an overall improvement in how he responds and copes with challenges.
Before going into a ton of detail, suffice to say that I have seen a remarkable improvement in my confidence, in my sense of self, in my strengths, weaknesses, and just embracing all that I am. And importantly, taking full responsibility for every aspect of my life and not looking to blame any result in my life or anyone else outside of this guy right here. That's a major change from, say, even 2 years ago.
And I look forward to working with you also, our listeners and viewers, to reach out to us, Insight Consulting. We help you to take control of your thoughts, your emotions, and your behavior to become your best self. Have a wonderful day as you become your best self.